Hello everyone, welcome to ODIA IITian. In this video lecture, we will discuss classification of silicate structure and the important part which is calculation of bridging oxygen and non-bridging oxygen, from which questions are coming every year. So, classification of silicate. In all the silicate structures so far investigated, a single silicon atom lies between 4 oxygen atoms. The distance between center of two adjacent oxygen atoms is 2.7 angstrom. With SiO4 tetrahedron is building block of silicate mineral. The bonding between silicon and oxygen atom is so strong that 4 oxygen are always at the corner of tetrahedron of nearly constant dimension and shape. यहाँ पे हमको क्लासिफिकेशन में सिलिकेट स्ट्रक्चर का नेम, सिलिकॉन ऑक्सीजन रेशियो, ब्रिजिंग ऑक्सीजन एंड नॉन ब्रिजिंग ऑक्सीजन विथ एग्जांपल हमको याद रखना है. सो नेसोसिलिकेट, इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ऑर्थोसिलिकेट, इंडिपेंडेंट टेट्राहेड्रा और आइसलैंड सिलिकेट. सिंगल SiO4 tetrahedron, Si silicon oxygen ratio is 1:4. Here bridging oxygen, non-bridging oxygen ratio is 0. Examples are olivine, garnet, zircon, epidot, kyanite, staurolite. Another one, borosilicate. It is also called double Iceland silicate, pyrosilicate, pair tetrahedral silicate. Here silicon oxygen tetrahedra are linked by sharing of one oxygen between two tetrahedra, that is one bridging oxygen. Typical example is Si2O7. यहाँ silicon oxygen ratio is 2:7. Bridging oxygen and non-bridging oxygen ratio is 1/7. Every few minerals belong to this type, acromite and hemimorphite. Next, cyclosilicate. It is also called ring silicate, metasilicate. Two oxygen atoms are shared between neighboring tetrahedra. Here bridging oxygen, non-bridging oxygen ratio is 1. Silicon and oxygen ratio is 1:3. All members belong to hexagonal system are beryl and tourmaline. Next, ionosilicate, that is single chain ionosilicate. Each tetrahedral is linked to its neighbor by sharing of oxygen atom to form single open chain. Here silicon and oxygen ratio is 1:3. Bridging and non-bridging ratio is 0.5. Example is pyroxene. Ionosilicate double chain. Alternate tetrahedra is two parallel single chains are crossed linked. Silicon oxygen ratio is 4:11. Example is amphiboles. Next, seed silicate. It is also called phyllosilicate. Silicon oxygen ratio is 2:5. The seed form hexagonal planar network. Here mica and chloride are the example. Tectosilicate. Every silicon oxygen tetrahedra share its corner with other tetrahedra, give a 3D network, also called framework silicate. Silicon oxygen ratio is 1:2. Bridging oxygen is 4. And example are quartz, cristobalite, tridymite, feldspar. Now, some important notes. Silicates are 50% ionic and 50% covalent bond. Oxygen are more ionic than silicates. Important question, ये question repeatedly आता है. In which silicate structure bridging and non-bridging ratio is 0? Answer is nesosilicate. Similarly, another question, in which silicate structure non-bridging oxygen and bridging oxygen equal to 0, which is tectosilicate structure. Now, the important part, how to calculate bridging oxygen and non-bridging oxygen. यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखिए, यहाँ पे जो डॉट दिया गया है, यहाँ पे सिलिकॉन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. जो ब्लैक कलर राउंड मार्क क्या है, वहाँ नॉन ब्रिजिंग ऑक्सीजन, एंड रेड कलर राउंड मार्क क्या है, वो ब्रिजिंग ऑक्सीजन है. तो फर्स्ट, फॉर नेसोसिलिकेट, here it is independent tetrahedra, so silicon is 1 and non-bridging oxygen is 1, 2, 3, 4. So non-bridging ratio is 4/0, which is 4. Another borosilicate. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are non-bridging oxygen and 1 is bridging oxygen. So non-bridging divided by bridging oxygen ratio is 6. Next, cyclosilicate. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are the non-bridging oxygen and 1, 2, 3 are the bridging oxygen. And we can calculate non-bridging and bridging ratio, also bridging and non-bridging ratio from this data. Next, moving to the 4 silica formula. That is, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the bridging oxygen and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are non-bridging oxygen. Now we are moving to the single chain silicate. In this case, जो ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट में जो है हमको इसमें हाफ लेना है और बाकी सबको 1 कंसिडर करना है. सो इन दिस केस ब्रिजिंग ऑक्सीजन आर 1, 2, 3, यहाँ पे हाफ और ये हाफ मिला के 4. दैट इज 4 ब्रिजिंग ऑक्सीजन. सिमिलरली 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are the non-bridging oxygen. So we can calculate non-bridging and bridging oxygen ratio is 2. Now this is the double chain silicate structure. In this case, यहाँ पे हमको वेस्ट एंड ईस्ट में जो दिया गया है इसको हाफ कंसिडर करना है, बाकी सबको 1 कंसिडर करना है. इन दिस केस 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 और ये हाफ हाफ मिला के 14, ये हाफ हाफ मिला के 15. तो टोटल ब्रिजिंग ऑक्सीजन इज 15. सिमिलरली 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 are the non-bridging oxygen. So in this case, non-bridging and bridging ratio is 6 divided by 8. If you want the notes, then join our Telegram group. ODIA IITian link is given below. Thank you for watching this video lecture. If this lecture is informative to you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.